Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of x in this question, which says x squared minus 2 divided by x squared equals 1. So here we have it as the solution. So we are going to let from here is x squared minus 2 divided by x squared equals 1. So here we let x squared equals u. So when we let x squared equals u, anywhere we see x squared, we replace it with u, so that we have u minus 2 divided by u equals 1. So if I divide this one by 1, it means we find the LCM. If the LCM for this one is u, then we have 1 in u, that is u. U multiplied by u, we have it as u squared, minus u in u, that is 1. Then 1 multiplied by 2, we have it as 2, equals 1. So here we have u squared minus 2. When we cross multiply, everything will equals u. Then we collect the like terms. So we take this one here, so that we have u squared minus u minus 2 equals 0. We have a quadratic equation. So here we are going to consider from the quadratic formula, and we get our parameters, which is a equals 1, coefficient of u squared, b is minus 1, coefficient of u, and c is our constant value, which is minus 2. By considering that formula, we are going to have u equals minus b plus or minus a square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we plug in this value in this formula to get the value of u. So here we have u equals minus into bracket of b is minus 1 plus or minus a square root of minus 1 square minus 4, and we have a, which is 1, then c is minus 2. Everything divided by 2 into bracket of 1. So by having this, we are going to continue and get the value of u. So u equals, this is 1 plus or minus a square root of minus 1 square is 1. Then the whole of this one, it gives us 8. So 1 plus 8, that is 9, divided by 2. So having this, we have u equals 1 plus or minus. So the square root of 9, it gives us 3, divided by 2. So therefore, since we have positive and negative, so we separate it, so that we have 1 plus 3 divided by 2. We call this one u1. And also for u2, we have 1 minus 3 divided by 2. So here is u1 equals 1 plus 3 is 4 divided by 2. And we have u2 equals minus 2 divided by 2. So with what we have here, we conclude that the value of u1 equals 2 and the value of u2 equals minus 1. So when we have this thing, then we are going to recall from where we let x squared equals u. So from then we have the value of x squared, which is equals u. Now when we have u1 to be equals 2, so we substitute it, then we have x squared equals 2. Then to get the value of x, we take the square root of both sides. So by doing that, we have x equals plus or minus the square root of 2. And here is the real solution to this question. And again, when we consider for u2, we have our x squared equals u2. So here with this, we have x squared equals, so the value of u2 2 is minus 1. So by considering this, we know that any value of x we plug in here will not give us 1. That is, here cannot give us the real solution, but it gives us the complex solution. By taking the square root of both sides, we are going to have x equals plus or minus the square root of minus 1. But square root of minus 1, it gives us I. And here is the complex solution, and here is the real solution to this problem. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.